Once you turn on the microwave oven, select language. So how do you select language? By turning this circle here. Okay, I select English, for example. So once I select English, long press the I button here, setting save. So now you turn on this microwave oven by pressing the on off button here. Okay, so there are a few functions here. We have oven or we have microwave. So normally what we use is the microwave. So press microwave here. So you can see now it's under 600 watt. Okay, and it's gonna take about 1 minute's timer. So how do you adjust the power here? By turning the cycle here as well. 1600, 360, 180, 90 watts. Okay, this is the power of the microwave. So if you want to set a timer, you press the timer here. Okay, from here you can set the timer by turning this round circle. Okay, that's it. So after you set the timer, okay, put your food into the oven here, close it, and press start. So that's how it works.